We like to keep active with anything environmental here, with a focus on our local waters and our reefs and our beaches.
That's Steve Fanning, a team member at Kimpton Seafire Resort and Spa, and a proud guardian.
It's such a small and fragile ecosystem. It really is. Any variables can throw it all out of whack, and it's just, I think it needs a little help from us.
This includes beach cleanups, turtle nest monitoring, and reef restoration projects. Virgil Napier of Seafire says looking after the environment is important to the resort, which also has turtle-friendly lighting, so hatchlings don't get confused finding their way to the sea.
For us, part of that is making sure that around us, that we're looking at how we impact the sun, the sand, and the sea.
Seafire's guardians team up with DART staff to walk the 7-mile beach stretch in the early morning hours to look for turtle tracks. If they find any, a call is placed to the Department of Environment, so any potential nest becomes protected.
As a volunteer, such an awesome feeling to come out in the morning and just take a walk, and I'm not a morning person.
Carmen de Massa Doucette, a DART team member, says it's important to protect the turtle heritage in the Cayman Islands.
These islands were called Las Tortugas, before they were called the Cayman Islands, and it's because there were so many of them.
And Steve says there's no better reward than standing guard for Cayman's environment.
It's amazing. It's National Geographic kind of stuff.